This is a blank screen. No code, no design, no website, nothing. In about 6 minutes from right now, this blank screen is going to be a fully working, professional-looking app. And the most interesting part? I'm not going to write a single line of code to make that happen. Here is the only thing I'm going to type. One description. In plain English, no technical terms, no special knowledge needed. I want a habit tracker app. Daily habits I can check off. Progress bars. Clean dark design. One file. That's it. Watch what happens. I'm going to let that fully load before we do anything else. Because what you're looking at right now, this stream of code appearing, is an AI writing an entire app. Every line, every function, every style, written in seconds, and now we're going to see if it actually works. And there it is, a fully working habit tracker app, built from one sentence, on a screen that was completely blank 4 minutes ago. You can click the habits, check them off, watch the progress bars fill up. Everything works. This is vibe coding, and in the next 10 minutes I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this yourself. With 3 different projects, each one more impressive than the last. By the end of this video you'll have the complete skill to build almost anything you can think of. Let's go. Before we move forward, let me explain what vibe coding actually is, because the name is a little misleading and I want to make sure you fully understand what's happening. Vibe coding is a term that went viral in early 2026 after OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman talked about it publicly. The idea is simple. Instead of learning to code yourself, you describe what you want to build in plain English and let an AI write all the code for you. You're not a coder, you're the person with the vision. The AI is the person who knows how to build it. You describe the vibe you want, and the AI codes it. Now I want to be honest with you about something. Is this magic? No. Is it perfect every time? Also no. Sometimes the code doesn't work on the first try and you need to ask the AI to fix it. We're going to see exactly that happen in this video, and I'm going to show you how to handle it when it does. Because that's the real skill of vibe coding. Not knowing how to code, but knowing how to communicate with the AI clearly enough that it produces something useful. And knowing what to do when it doesn't quite get it right. By the end of this video you'll have both of those skills. Alright, project 2, and I'm going to make this one more complex than the habit tracker. Because I want to show you what vibe coding can handle when you push it a little harder. We're going to build a budget tracker. Something that actually has real practical value. Track your income, your expenses, see where your money is going. The kind of app that people pay for on the App Store. Notice what I'm doing with this prompt. I'm being really specific. I'm not just saying, make a budget app. I'm saying exactly what features I want. Income and expenses, categories, dates, a summary at the top, a list I can delete from. The more specific you are, the better the result. This is the most important skill in vibe coding. Not technical knowledge, just the ability to describe clearly what you want. Look at how much code came out. Hundreds of lines, all written in about 30 seconds. If you tried to write this yourself from scratch, assuming you knew how, it would take hours. Let's what we get. And there's the app. Look at that. Income at the top, expenses, balance. I can add a transaction right now. Let me add one. Income added, expense added, balance updates automatically. I can delete transactions. Everything works exactly as I described in the prompt. From one paragraph of plain English to a working financial app. That's vibe coding. Alright, we've built 2 apps. Now let me give you the framework I use every single time. The process that makes vibe coding actually reliable. Step 1. Describe the outcome, not the process. Don't say, use JavaScript to create a function that. Say, I want the user to be able to. Focus on what the finished app does, not how the code should work. You don't know how it should work. That's the AI's job. Step 2. Generate and run the first version immediately. Don't read the code. Don't try to understand it. Just paste it and run it. See if it works. Your only job at this stage is to answer the question, does it do what I described? Step 3. Test every feature yourself. Click every button. Try every input. Test the edges. What happens if I add an empty item? What happens if I add 100 items? Find everything that doesn't work exactly right. Step 4. Make a list of everything that needs fixing. Don't go back to ChatGPT after each individual issue. Collect everything first. One clear list of all the problems. Step 5. Paste your list into Replit and ask for a fix. Say, here are the issues I found. Fix all of them and give me the complete updated code. 1 message, 1 fix, 1 new version. Repeat steps 2 through 5 until you're happy with the result. Most projects need 2 to 4 rounds of this. Then it's done. Light bulb: the most common beginner mistake is giving up after the first error. Professional vibe coders expect to go through 3 to 5 rounds of refinement for any serious project. The first version is a starting point, not a final product. Here is exactly what I want you to do after this video ends. Pick one thing from this list, the simplest one that appeals to you. Open ChatGPT. Describe it in as much detail as you can. Paste the prompt into Replit. See what you get. Your first project will not be perfect. Neither was mine. The second one will be better. The 5th one will genuinely impress you. The 10th one might actually make you money. Vibe coding is a skill that compounds. Every project teaches you something about how to describe things more clearly, how to fix errors faster, how to build something more polished. The only way to get better is to build. Start today, not tomorrow, not after you feel ready. Today, because the people who start building today will be 8 projects ahead of the people who wait. Look at these 2 apps. A habit tracker, a budget tracker, all 2 built from plain English descriptions. All 2 using completely free tools. All 3 in under 20 minutes total. That is vibe coding, and now you know exactly how to do it. Quick recap of the framework before you go. Describe the outcome, not the process. Generate and run immediately. Test every feature. List what needs fixing. Ask AI to fix everything in 1 message. Repeat until it's right. If this video showed you something genuinely useful, please subscribe because I make these step-by-step AI tutorials every week. And drop a comment right now telling me what you're going to build first. I read every single one and I reply to as many as I can. I'll see you in the next one.